Uh, my name is Roham. I'm gonna demo quickly a map clustering feature that we added in one of our apps. We didn't use iOS map clustering because iOS would give a little bit more distance clusters that we want. We wanted to have more detailed clusters, much closer together. So basically, that's what we did, and we created another kind of a clustering algorithm to come up also kind of uh, customize the shape and the size of the clusters based on the distance and the number of items in it. And basically that's how it works now. And it also supports the specific screen supports pagination, so we can as you scroll down, it adds more records and the cluster will show up, and also supports drawing polygons around clusters. And as you can see, it just cuts off the annotations, and also pagination is available inside those polygon areas. And yeah, basically then you can opt out of polygon drawing by just hitting the close button, and it goes back to the browsing mode. And basically it uses a specific algorithm, and the clusters are customizable, and this cluster that we developed is customizable based on the dimension and the number of items that it wants to show.